like you're praying. Squirrel, look at you. You look adorable. Hi, Squirrelito, you're dirty. You have a fluffy dirtiness spot. You have a fluffy spot. I love you so much. You know that? You're so cute. Look. What's that? You have a dirty spot. You're always dirty. You want to go in the backyard? You want to go in the backyard, Mom Hua? Want to go Hua? Oh, he's so cute. Look at him. He's like sitting on the stairs. That is adorable. I know, isn't that scary? That scared me too. Beautiful boy.